See me some spider webs. We're back at it again with the Mavic 4 Pro. Today we're going to be testing out the obstacle avoidance, and we're going to go to what they call Panther's Trail and put this thing to the test. Will it pass or will it fail? Stay tuned. This drone is up, people. All right, party people in the place to be. We got active traffic going with the Mavic 4 Pro. Let's get it popping. And as you can see, we are in the woods. And so far, so good. I wanted to get deeper into the woods where I wouldn't be in anybody's way. If they're doing their little hike. So we can test this thing on out on this trail. All right. Well, that was good. They didn't get scared of. Turn around this bad boy. See me some spider webs. Up, it hit it. Hit some twigs, but it didn't crash. That's what I'm talking about. Good, I got that on camera. The drone. And so far, so good, people. Oh. I saw a fox run through here earlier. And so I'm not going to take it like in between little small areas. If it was like the Mini 4, I would, but I will give it a little test here and there. And so if it's a trail like this, so far you see, you can actually take it and yeah, it's gonna be able to follow you. So I walk between these trees right here and see what happens, even though I didn't have to. Yeah, it's got a little sense. It popped on up around. It said it's not falling for that. We do these videos on YouTube for, I guess, entertainment value, because I mean, when would you take your Mavic 4 Pro into a dense area of woods or jungle? Unless that was your actual job. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? And yeah, it's doing pretty dang on good, if I do say so myself. Here we go. It dipped up under there. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so on the basic trail, you should be fine and dandy. And so we got little twigs and stuff sticking out too, so see what that LiDAR is all what it's cracked up to be.
Message on your phone from Jacoby's Forum. Say, attachment, one image.
Oh, it's not having any problems, people. Any problems. Let's give it, let's give it a little challenge. Yeah, well, it avoided it. That's what obstacle avoidance is, huh? It definitely avoided those obstacles. Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna stop the obstacle, the active track for now. Take this nice little opportunity to do some exploring. What we got here? And so let's pop that gimbal up like only this bad boy can do. Yeah, let's pop that old gimbal up. Let's get on up here. Let's get on up here. Let's get on up here and see where we are. See our surroundings. Nothing but trees. And now we're gonna drop on back down. We shouldn't hit anything. Get a nice little exploring. And now let's get back to it. Look what we got here. You dipped up under that. That's all right. That is all right. We're gonna call this take your drone for a walk day. So we got a little bit of twigs and trees and whatnot. He's gonna have to stay in a straight line to follow me. Oh yeah, see this is a little bit more difficult because it literally has to stay in a straight line. Ain't no dipping to the side over here. Come on, Lidar. Making a big hype about it. Let's see what you got, baby. Let's see what you got. See what you got. This nice high quality, high dollar drone. Uh-oh. What I'm talking about. Come on through, Mavic 4. Come on through for your boy. We got us a hazard right there. Oh, and it dodged it. Okay. So we're about to pop up on civilization, people. What do you think? Was this too easy? Or is the Mavic 4 Pro active track just that damn good? This is gonna be the test of the test. Come on, people. It's gonna have to fly straight because if it hit anything, and all right, people, we're gonna end this one on a good note. Active track for the Mavic 4 Pro is pretty damn good. Comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer, aka your Uncle Rico. To the next episode, people. Peace.